Assalamu alaikum students. Uh, Welcome to my channel Cambridge Companion. So today we will do Cambridge AS and A-level chemistry 9701 uh, paper 22 question number 4. So let's start. Question number 4 says that lactic acid and puric acid both contain the two functional groups. Okay, we can clearly see there's a group of OH methyl and there is a carboxylic acid. Okay, so we have seen there. Okay, and there is a uh, ketone of the group. Okay, so explain why lactic acid exists as an optical isomers. So what is shown that here why explain lactic acid exists as an optical isomer. So we can write the answer here. Uh, yes, uh, uh, it has it has molecules that um, that contain a chiral carbon. You know very well chiral carbon is a carbon uh, which contain the four different group. Okay, chiral carbon. Okay, so this is would be the answer. I think it's enough for because the chiral carbon is centered or non-superimposable mirror images. But I think it's enough for the answer. Okay, so move to the next part. Give the systematic name of the lactic acid. So we have how many carbons are there? We can uh, start from this because we start from this. Here are three carbons, so it must be a uh, uh, oic acid. But one, two, three, it's a propanoic. But what is the full name of this compound? It's a propanoic, but we have another group. It is a hydroxyl group OH here. So starting from this side of the carbon, one, two. Okay. So it's a 2-hydroxyl propanoic acid we have done. I think it's uh, yes, schematic name of the lactic acid. Uh, 2-hydroxyl 2-hydroxyl propanoic acid. Okay, we have done with part 2. So lactic acid forms a hydrogen bond with water. Okay, complete figure 4.2 to show the formation of the hydrogen bond between one molecule of the lactic acid and one molecule of the water. So we, uh, I think this should be here. We can draw. Uh, we should complete the diagram here. Wait a second, students. I have something. I'm coming back. Only 5 minutes. Okay. Uh, so, student, I'm back. So we should draw the structure of this. It was my phone call. Sorry for the interrupt. It, so, okay, students. We continue the diagram. Okay, completing the diagram is okay, like like this, like this, like this, and like something like this. Hydrogen, yes, and hydrogen like this. I'm just drawing it for the information purpose only. Please make sure to draw the correct uh, order in the diagram. So I'm just drawing. It's not a very fine way, but it's a correct diagram. Okay. So please try to draw a neat and clean diagram. Okay. So what? I think there is a lone pair of the oxygens. Yes, and yes, it should be a negative. Okay, should be a negative, and here, you know, it should be a positive, and there should be a negative. Hydrogen bonds. Okay, uh, this is the hydrogen bonds. Mm, bonds. Okay, students, now move to the next part of the question. So this we completed. You see, uh, so move to the next part. So part B here is showing two possible synthesis of the pyruvic acid are shown in the figure 4.3 and figure 4.4. Okay. Um, uh, each synthesis has a total of 3 steps. Sister propene, now we are to the, okay, we have seen the first, second, and third step. And what about this ethanol? First step, second step, okay, lactic acid. So they are saying complete the diagram. Figure 4.5 show the mechanical reaction of the propene with the Br2, including the charges, dipole lone pairs of the electron in the curly arrows as appropriate. Okay. So we all know that uh, this group attacked this bromine and should be positive, and this bond will to here, and this is should be negative. So what about this? I think the double bond will be broken up. Yes. Uh, uh, so I think it's completed. Okay, so move to the next part. Write the equation for the oxidation of the lactic acid to the pyruvic acid in the third step. So use O to represent one atom of oxygen for the agent. Okay, so is the third step. So lactic acid to pyruvic acid. Um, what do I have? Um, 4.4. This is the figure 4.4. Okay. No, we here is saying to use O to um, represent one atom of the oxygen uh, from an oxidizing agent. All right. So we will see that it form just like this is the zone CH3 CO, no, not ketone, but a pyruvic acid. Okay, CO and yes, ketone. Uh, Pyruvic acid here is this like this is you can see clearly here the ketone. We have draw the fully structure of the pyruvic acid. CO and one for the oxalic acid. Yes, and we will count. You see that there is, so we have left with two hydrogen atom with one oxygen atom, so with H2O, and H2O is here. I think it is balanced, and this is the answer of part 2. Move to the next part. Complete the figure. Complete the table 4.1. To giving details the regions and congestion used in each of the two syntheses shown in figure 4.3 and figure 4.4. So the first step synthesis from the uh, you know uh, should be n of yeah. So what is the first step uh, to you answer the question? So you're writing this. So you can write. I think I should on my text mode. I think it should be the second step and the third step for the propene. First, we look at this step. So the second step, it should be sodium hydroxide. Okay, so NaOH, NaOH, and heat. Yes, and heat plus heat. And what about the third step? Here, what is the third step? We see here. Third step is clearly seen as a ketone, the carboxylic acid. So the third step, I think it should be Cr2O7, and heat under reflux, heat, I'm writing here because we have a less space, under reflux, this is the solution for the propene figure 4.3, and what is the figure 4.4? It should be point 4. I think yes, we can see the right here, HCN. Like this, uh, and uh, and NaCN plus heat, so what about this in the second step? Mm, so dilute HCl, I think it should be dilute HCl plus I think that's it, and heat. Yes, it's a dilute HCl and heat. Yes, and what about this? I think in the third step we are use the compound. This is the uh, Cr2, just like the same uh, O7 -2 plus heat under reflex. So you can see here. So it's an answer. Okay. So I have put 4 also. So yes, and this was the last question. So inshallah, I will make a new video for you with another uh, year of the past, another paper with another year. So I hope you understand. Please like my video, subscribe my channel, and keep supporting me. And thanks for watching. Thank you.